Okay. Governor gave us 200,000 in Nairobi. He also gave us 200,000 for himself, and he has added 50,000. Now I come to the former Governor Ongwae. Governor Ongwae gave us in Nairobi 50,000 Kenyan shillings, and he has added us 20,000 shillings. Now I come back to members of parliament. Our members of parliament, the entire 21 members, we have 21 members, they all Kisii. That's Nyamira and Kisii County, both elected and nominated. They really devoted themselves kukuja Nairobi, na sasa others are here. Now just keep, unakuja unanipea na unakaa, speeches tunaongea baadaye. Members of parliament, current members of parliament, Barongo, Machoge Borabu, Now. Barongo was with us, eh? Barongo gave us, actually, on the first day, our brother passed on to the end of Barongo, paka Karen home. He gave 20,000. Kwa mchango, he gave 50,000. Na saa hii, akuna 50,000. Nataka atume kwa Christine's number. I'll say immediately. Next member of parliament, Obiri. Members of parliament Incho, Esio Kenyuri, Oyagiri, our DC. Obiri was with us in Nairobi. He gave us 20,000. And he's giving another 20,000. He's sending to M-Pesa. Thank you very much. Esio Kenyuri was with us in Nairobi. He gave us 20,000. And he's adding 10,000 in M-Pesa. God bless you, Sana. Mama County was with us in Nairobi, and he has given us 50,000 shillings. Amen. Our Oyagi is our county commissioner at Trans Nzoia. He gave us 20,000 Nairobi, and he has given us 20,000. This is Mangi is our former deputy governor. They served Ongwae, and now is our ambassador in Uganda. He gave in Nairobi 30,000, and then he's given us 20,000. Namaliza. Engineer Kimori, his son, is here. He's giving 20,000 on behalf of his family. You know Engineer Kimori, he was a serious guy from Bomochaga, Borabu. You can send it to the family. Ogari Jr. was with us in Nairobi. He gave us 10,000 Nairobi. He came with us in Kisii. He gave us 20. Nawana is giving us 10,000. Be blessed so much. Alaf next, our speaker, our deputy governor, Namaliza. Otaji was the vice chair in Nairobi. He gave a lot of money. He's a neighbor to our late, and he's adding 10,000. And he has 20 from Sam Munyamoya. Sam Munyamoya was with us in Nairobi. He gave 20. And again, he sent Onyonka with 20, and has given us 20,000. Iko kwa simu, anatuma kwa familia. Our speaker has given us 10,000 shillings. Manson Yongo was in the family in Nairobi. He gave 20, and he has given us 10,000 shillings. Our deputy governor, 10,000. Leonard Omari gave 50,000 in Nairobi, and is giving us 10,000. Thank you very much. Liroba gave us 30,000 in Nairobi. I was there, and he has given us 50,000. Echarani 5,000. God bless you so much. Now namaliza former members of parliament, just come. ODM chairman, 5,000. God bless you so much. Former members of parliament, just come. On the bench of water in you. I'm winding up. Oh. This is a very good friend of mine from Matungulu constituency. He has given us 20,000. Good. Anatuma kwa familia. Benny Mumanyi gave us 20,000. Nairobi has added us 20,000. Jimmy Mumanyi, he gave us 20,000 and Otoide 10,000. Thank you very much. I'm a good. Onyonka. Jimmy. Okay. Sadok Yogut, the former member of parliament, immediate Majoga Barabu alikuwa Nairobi, gave us 15,000 and they has added us 10,000 shillings. Manoti Nairobi gave us 200,000. He has given us another 20,000. Mheshimiwa Muhindi former Nyaribari Masaba 10,000. Mheshimiwa Manduku alikuwa na ceremony, by the way, he was in Nairobi. Hata alikuwa kwa service I think juzi na ametuma rambirambi kwa familia. Dr. Gesami 20,000. Mteja, the chairman for Nairobi group, Omingo Magara. Alitupea 50,000 na ametupea sahi 5,000. Thank you very much. Chin Salimache 500 kwa Nyaribari Chache. Julius, how much? 5,000 Julius. 3,000 Raro Tino Mtetezi. Yeah.
Nairobi I gave 15,000.
Ogendo give Nairobi 15,000.
Today I'm giving 5,000.
Today is giving 5,000. Cash or M-Pesa. Send. There is a baby number, which I think you'll get. The guy from Mombasa. He gave Nairobi 5. Richard Osugu. And he has given us 10,000. Which one? Yeah? No. Onyonka tulikuwa na Nairobi. Onyonka gave Nairobi 70,000 na Ananga 50,000. Mwara gaki. Ngona ni tarati ka. Tuliza boli men. Thank you very much. Obadea Barongo. Omosi ndigisire. Diamono. MCS. Now MCS come. Combine former MCS, current MCS. Principal Kisii School 5,000. In the midst of us kuna vice chancellor wa Kisii University akona sisi 10,000. The current MCA was Sengera 10,000. MCA wa Chitendera alipeana 15,000 na hii ni 10,000. Pia na Bosot Senga alipeana hivyo. Leader majority alipeana Nairobi ngapi? 10 na sahi 10,000. Be blessed. Ogugu 5,000. Oyari 10,000. Thank you. Obadia, thank you very much. Jeremiah, he gave us 10, he has added 5,000. Professor, 20,000. Onkeo Clark, 5,000. County Assembly. BCA, the only lady in Kisii County, 5,000. Nominated Dibuari, UDA, 5,000. Thank you very much. Sonia Ondari, 5,000. Sameta Murefu, 2,000. God bless you. Dr. Moses Machukotieno, 2,000. M-Pesa. Thank you very much. Osindigisiro Mheshimiwa Badia. Our director, Omwe Mombasa 5,000. Ngonani natigire.